Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Faiz Iqbal, student ID 2024-32070. Today I will present the result of my second practicum for the Statistics and Probability course. The topic for this practicum is frequency distribution and measure of central tendency. The purpose of this practicum was to learn of how to organize raw data into a frequency distribution and analyze using basic statistical tools such as the mean, median, and mode. These methods are commonly used to summarize large sets of data in a clear and understandable way. The dataset I work with consists of height measurement of students from class A across multiple years. At first, the data was unrealized, so the first step was to arrange it in the form of a frequency distribution. To begin, I identified the small and the large value in the dataset to understand how wide the data was spread. Then I grouped the data into several intervals where each interval represented a specific range of height. I also calculated how many values fall into each of those ranges. Once the table was complete, I supporting information such as the number of students in each group, the total number of students, and cumulative counts and percentage to see how the data was distributed. After organizing the data, I continued with the analysis by consulting the central tendency measures. Thus are the value and represent the center of typical value in a dataset. There are three main types. 1. Mean, which is the average of all the height value in give use an overall idea of the general height of the students. 2. Median, which in the middle value when all the data points are sorted. This helps us understand the central point of data set, especially when they are orders of extreme values. 3. Mode, which is the value or range that appears most frequent. This is useful to identify which height range was the most common among students. From this analysis, I observed the data was fairly consistent, with most students height falling within a similar range. The mean, median, and mode value and are close to each other, which also suggests that the data is relatively symmetric and there are no major outliers. In conclusion, this practicum helped me understand how to summarize and interpret data using frequency distribution and measures of central tendency. These tools are very important not just in statistics but also in real life situations where are there deal with large amounts of information. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.